Hi, what's up guys? This is John Arabura. You're watching I Love Tanchong TV, a channel that highlights and celebrates the beauty of life. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. Just click the subscribe button yung nasa baba, yung red, and also yung bell notification na katabi nito para ma-notify kayo moving forward sa mga upcoming uploads ko. And if you're using your social media like Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, do follow me at I Love Tanchong and visit my blog. It's www.ilovetanchong.com. Today is day 3 for my sit-down video for the first 12 days of Christmas. Third day ko ngayon, gusto ko lang pag-usapan and I just want to share you a video. Yung mga video ko na wherein I collaborated with another YouTube creator. So I did a collaboration with John Daniel Castillo, and he's doing a tutorial online for web design and graphic design. Nagkaroon kami ng collaboration during sa YouTube Space Manila. Also, during the YouTube Space Manila, I just want to share you also my very overrated na collaborate ko na si M.A. Buendia. So, we do a collaboration for how many times na. So, first was on his channel. It was like a random topics about a newbie sa call centers. And also, nag-collaborating kami sa channel ko na it's about a challenge, English 101 challenge. Tapos, from then, dinest niya ako sa isang radio show, yung radio program niya. And first, ako yung guest, ako yung in-interview. Then the second, ginest na ako, hindi na ako yung talagang ako yung in-interview. Ako na yung nag-interview as a co-host. And then, yesterday, we did a program ulit na bagong location naman. It's the same program. So, ako ulit yung co-host. So, parang nag-samyang challenge din kami, guys. Gumawa rin kami ng samyang challenge with MA sa channel niya. Tapos, nagkaroon din kami ng talk show with Tanya and MA. Sit-down video siya dun sa condo ni MA. Tapos, sumagot kami ng mga questions sa pageantry questions. So talagang nag-start lang kaming magkakakilala doon sa YouTube Space Manila. Tapos nag-click kami. Spontaneous kasi kami kahit walang script. Parang pag nag-dead air na ako, siya na naman yung magsasalita. Tapos pag siya dead air, salita na. Parang alam mo yun, tulungan out the awareness that we're helping each other to create a healthy conversation in front of the camera. And very, witty-witty rin kasi si Bakla. So yun. So since siya yung unang, actually ako yata yung unang nag-approach during sa YouTube Space Manila. Tapos ayun, parang naging close na kami online. Hindi ko alam kung nagpa-plastikan kami. Diba? Pero online, talagang, alam mo yun, talagang, friend, kailangan ko ng tulong. Tapos ako naman, friend, kailangan ko ng collaboration, pak. O, collaborate kami talaga, tuloy-tuloy siya. Lahat ng mga diniscuss ko pala na mga videos na na-mention ko dito, yung mga collaboration namin. Gumawa ako ng playlist nito. Put the links below para mapanood niyo yung mga iba't iba namin pinanood. So, yun kasi yung third day ko. I just want to talk about someone whom I've collaborated for an episode sa channel at saka sa channel din niya. Tulungan lang naman yan eh. And it's a huge help. It's really tremendous help if you are going to collaborate with another YouTuber. Kahit regardless if they are a huge one or like a big time YouTuber or small time YouTuber, consider collaborating with them kasi hindi mo alam the latter part na parang, ay, click pala kayo, di ba? Parang ganun. Parang without the awareness, ay, bongga pala tayo mag-collaborate. So yun yung nangyari sa amin kayo may mundiya na parang dadaldalin kasi namin talaga eh. Yung mga tulong, yung baklang Kasi ako yung baklang alam mo yun, ako yung baklang madaldal, balahura na alam mo yun, I speak from my heart. Siya ng parang finesse, na parang very professional, parang gano'n. So, pinagsama kami to balance and it's a good result naman so far. And then, merong nag-comment sa akin dun sa Facebook, nag-comment sa isang vlog ko na parang single ako. Sabi ko, single ako. Tapos nag-comment, bakit di lang daw kami magjowa, nakakalok. Nakakadiri, talunan. Bakit ng collaboration, tapos naging boyfriend, Diyos ko, tsaka Diyos ko. So, manood niyo yan, guys. Ayun, subscribe my YouTube channel, the round button there, and you hover your mouse and it will pop up, and there's a subscribe button, click mo lang yan. And also, the square button yung nasa gilid, sa dyan, para ma-visit mo yung blog ko na is www.ilovetanchong.com. Also, yung square dyan, this is a related videos na pag-click mo yan, mapapanood mo yung playlist. Mapanood mo yung playlist ng video ko. Nakasang boses ko. Ano sabihin ko marinig sa labas. So this has been Jonathan Orbuna. Thank you so much, guys,